Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable and use Moto Gestures on Motorola Moto G10. First of all, we're gonna have to find and open the Moto application. It is pre-installed on your smartphone, so you will be able to easily find it on your home screen. Then tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the app and go to Gestures tab. Here we have gestures like Quick Capture, which lets us open camera application by twisting the wrist twice, fast flashlight, which turns the flashlight on or off with two chopping motions like this, and then disables it in the same way. Now quick capture will work like this. And to enable any of these screenshots, we have to switch the toggle to the right next to them. Some of them will also require additional features like adding a face unlock if you want to unlock your phone by lifting it. But we have other gestures like three-finger screenshot, which works by placing your three fingers on the device's screen. And if you enable flip for DND, you just have to flip your phone, and this way your phone will vibrate, and this indicates that the do not disturb mode is enabled. And if your ringer is ringing, you can also enable pickup to silence and just lift the phone, pick up the phone to silence the ringer. And swipe to split basically splits our application on the screen. Now if we simply swipe back and forth on the screen of our device. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.